Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Paris from Project Pineapple Pea, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade squishies using the squishy solution that I've bought and had to ship over from America from Amazon. So it's a Flex Foam It 3. It was £12 shipment, but it's definitely so worth it. So get some plastic cups. This is the Flex Foam It 3 solution, and this is what you're going to need to make your squishies. I got it from Amazon, shipped it over, £12 postage and packaging, but so worth it. So you've got the Flex Foam It blues, and you've got the Flex Foam It in yellow. And the damp cloth is for wiping the measuring spoon, which you need a measuring spoon exactly the same for part A and part B. So I'm just labelling my cups part A, part B, and cloth for when I need to use it after I've got the solutions out and cleaned it each time I've done the measuring. And you're going to need gloves. I've also got these silicone cake cases from B&M, which were £2.99 each. We got unicorn, and we've also got rainbow squishy making moulds. So I'm going to do a 2-to-1 ratio. So that means that the blue one, you have 2 lots of it into the box you've bought, just because you need more of it. So it's a 2-to-1 ratio. So for every 2 spoonful of measuring you use for part B, you're going to need only 1 for part A. So if you have put 4 into part B, you need to put 2 scoops into part A. So I'm just going to measure out 2 scoops of part B and allow that to come off with the spatula. Make sure you put your lid straight on, just so no air gets to your solution. And then get your damp cloth, wipe off any of the part of the solution B, just so that it's all clean for when you do the exact same to part A solution. So pour in 1 cup of your part A into the cup that says A. Make sure the lid goes straight back on so no air gets to it. And then all you're going to do is put part A into the B solution. Make sure you get it all out with the spatula from part A, and all you're going to do is mix the part A and the part B together as quick as you can. So ideally you don't want to do any more than 15 seconds. So make sure you get all around the edges of the cup, make sure it's all filled, everything is all mixed together, and then quickly pour into your moulds. They say it can go to roughly 15 times the solution height. So as you can see, it really does. So here they are. They are just coming out of the silicone moulds, which I definitely recommend silicone moulds, as it literally will unstick nice and quick. They feel really rainbow-like clouds, which is amazing. They're really squishy, and I'm really happy with them. So this is how you make unicorn and rainbow moulds. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you get notifications. The next video is going to be a challenge on who decorates and paints the best squishies using fabric paint, as always. So yeah, stay tuned for our challenge. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!